Hey everybody, I'm here in Las Vegas today. I've got about 5 hours and 14 minutes of sightseeing time here during a 16-hour layover. What would you do during a 16-hour layover? Would you maybe walk down the strip, gamble a little bit, lose a little money? Well, for me today, I had something different planned. Today, I am going to be riding on a helicopter to the Grand Canyon. The whole thing's going to take about 4 hours and only cost me about $250. Hello. Hi, how you doing? They're calling my name. I better get to my aircraft.
That's disappointment, huh? Hollywood, you're the highway, it's like
I didn't think I was supposed to shoot on the airfield, but here I am.
I'm going to show you how these work. These are our life vests. We'll be flying over water, so we have to put these on. Maybe a little tail right here, right? You're taking.
Do we have to do that exact animation, huh? Yeah. Okay, all right. Copy. Adventure, you can kill two birds with one stone off your bucket list. One, flying in a helicopter, and two, visiting the Grand Canyon. Flying in a helicopter is a far more exhilarating experience than flying in a commercial jet airplane, and a much better way to view the Grand Canyon. They offer a smoother ride and provide optimal photo opportunities. First, we'll fly over Lake Mead and Hoover Dam, and finally, the Grand Canyon West. Total flight time is approximately 70 minutes. Since the helicopter company conveniently picks you up and drops you off at your hotel, you're looking at about 3.5 hours from pickup to drop-off. Not bad at all. If you have more time, consider taking the extended packages. For $370, you get a 5-hour tour which includes landing at the bottom of the Grand Canyon, 4,000 feet below the rim, and a champagne picnic with time to explore. The EC-310 helicopter is spacious, but you're not allowed to bring any bags, backpacks, or selfie sticks. The big bay windows of the helicopter expose you to the sun, so be sure to wear sunscreen and sunglasses. Bring a water bottle, and be sure to use the bathroom beforehand. Go easy on the coffee, it's a long ride. If you're taking an evening tour, be sure to bring something warm, as it can get chilly in the evening in the desert. $250 is a paltry sum when you consider that a single day in a Disney park can run you around $200 per day. Overall, this adventure is an experience I can wholeheartedly recommend. Simply book online a few hours before your arrival into Las Vegas and respond to their email with a phone call to confirm your pickup time at your hotel. And you're good to go. I'll put links in the description box below if anyone's interested. Helpful comments and sincere questions are always welcome. See you next week. Click the subscribe button below if you'd like to see more adventures and helpful tips on how you can do them as well. Bye! Totally worth it. Worth every penny.